Hello friends, now we understand quadratic equation. So this topic is helpful for the students who are writing engineering entrances. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and it is in second degree equation in one variable, that is x. A, B, C are real numbers. That means A, B, C can take any value from natural numbers, whole numbers, or integers, or rational or irrational. Similarly, it can take complex numbers also. Okay, now it has two roots, say generally called alpha and beta. For example, if I take x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation because it is in second degree, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 6. If I solve this, I'll get x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. See how to solve this, the methods and all these things we'll understand later. The properties of roots, so many things are there that we can understand later. Suppose if I put this x is equal to 2 in this equation, 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, that is 4 minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0, and that is left hand is equal to right hand satisfied. So that means 2 is a root of this quadratic equation. So 2 is also sometimes called 0 of the quadratic equation. Similarly, if I put 3 in the place of x, it is 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, again it is 9 minus 15, again plus 6, that is equal to 0. That means 3 also satisfied. So that means there are the numbers 2 and 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now if I put any other than this number in the equation, it will not satisfy. You can check yourself by putting x is equal to 1 or 4 or 5 or any number, or minus 5, minus 6, or any number in the total real number system. If I put, it will not satisfy. That means there are only two numbers in the system, either in complex or real, that satisfies this quadratic equation. So these are called the roots. So total the topic depends upon the roots and some manipulation of the roots. So questions also will come about on the roots only, the properties and etc and all these things that we'll see later. Now the question comes, how a quadratic equation will form. So generally in daily life situations, so many situations will arise in which a quadratic equation will form. For example, simple example I'll tell you. For example, we have a natural number. Suppose any two consecutive numbers, if I take and multiply, I'll get something. So that means the product of two consecutive numbers is, say for example, 30. Then what are the two consecutive numbers whose product is 30? So I can form like this. So suppose if I take x is equal to first number, then x plus 1 will be the second number. So the product is x into x plus 1 is equal to 30. So this is the equation form. So if I solve, if I simplify, I'll get x square plus x minus 30 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If I solve this, I'll get x is equal to 5 or minus 6. If I discard this minus 6 because negative, so I'll take x is equal to 5. The numbers will be 5 and 6. They are the consecutive natural numbers and whose product is 30. Okay friends, all the best. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next class.